Look, are you looking at the pictures?
Yes. Papa, it goes to the neighbor's store.
Do you see that you're in the pictures?
Papa, no, that's Flacker. What is it? What, Mom? It's just like me. Look at this face. Look at that one. What, Mommy? It's that one. Hey, it's my screens. Look, it's Dragon Combine.
Oh. Huh?
What is it? What, Mom? It's Lawrence on fire. Look, Mom. It's Lawrence on fire.
Pretty cool.
You like it? Hey, Mom, look. Check it out. It's a boat. It goes in the wind. These little friends. Just like me. What do you call little face? Little face. Hey, it's not yours.
Aw, we can share. She likes Dinosaur Train too.
Look, it's just my truck.
Alright. Can you say thank you? No, actually say it, please. Ethan, say thank you. Hey, say thank you.
Thank you.
See you. Say see you this summer. Hey.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a window picture.
Can you say see you this summer?
It's just my sonny. Just like Mommy. Just my Mommy. Just like me.
Alright, say bye.